All right, guys, I have something very special for you today. This is the BrightRight outdoor solar powered light. This thing is incredible. It comes with tons of cool features. It's solar powered. It has an IP of 44. There are no wires necessary, and it turns on and off by itself. How cool, how cool. Okay, so without further ado, let's just get right into it. Let's see what these lights have to offer. Let's see what they look like. Here we go. All right. So right off the bat, I noticed they give you a coupon. They give you a coupon just for buying the lights. How cool. Okay, what else we got? We got your instruction manual, always nice to have. Okay, now here are the lights themselves. Check these things out. Here are the stakes. We'll get to that in a second, but let's just focus on this bad boy for a second. Look at this. This looks incredible. Such a sleek, modern design. It feels very, very good in my hands. Super durable. That's always good. This light is not going to quit on you. Okay, so to install it here, all you do, put this stake together like this, put the light on it, and that's it. There's nothing else to it. There's nothing else to it. Just put it in the ground and let it do the work for you. Speaking of doing the work, this is the solar panel here, and all this is gonna do, soak up all that sunlight, eliminate all those wires, and keeps the light going all night long. So guys, I'm going to install this in my yard right now. Let's see how it looks. All right, so I just finished installing these beautiful BrightRight lights along my little garden area here, and I must say they already look fantastic. So if you're looking to brighten up your yard and your life, I highly recommend BrightRight.